you how to make a semi-log graph using Sheets as well. Unfortunately, it's not quite as good as Excel, but you can get the job done good enough. So here's the same data that we used before, okay, and we're just going to highlight that, go up to the chart, insert, and again, you can choose it from here, or you can, you know, if you're looking for different chart types, but ultimately we're going to choose the scatter plot that we have here. So again, this is just a regular graph with a curved line, but we want this axis to be logarithmic. So all of this is done under the customization tab. So you can add a title to your chart. I tend to like to get rid of the legend because sometimes it moves around and gets in the way and people are wondering what it is, so I'm going to get rid of my legend. And then you come down to the axes. So you've got both the horizontal and the left vertical axis. Okay. So for the horizontal axis, again, you can title it, okay, and put the name down there. You can change the colors, whatever you want to do. It's fine. But this is the one that we need to change. So the left vertical, what you want to do is you want to, again, you can add a title to it. But what you want to do is you scroll down to the bottom, and here's the log scale. So when you click that, you get this. Now, here's the problem with Excel. You don't have as many options for grid lines and for minimum and maximum values on the y-axis. So if you're playing around with this, this is what you should do. Under the major grid lines, and I'm not exactly sure why this is, you should choose 3 in this case. Okay, so you basically got the 3 major grid lines. I guess that's it. And under minor, you need to choose 10. And now you can interpolate data in here. And the only issue I have with this is that you can't get rid of this space up here, because if you change this maximum value, let's say to 30,000, you see what happens. You lose your grid lines up here, so you can't give an accurate interpolation in this area. So I'm just going to get rid of that, okay, and leave it at that. So you get some extra space here, but at least you get all the grid lines that you need. The last thing that you need to do is add the trend line. And again, this is a little bit different in Sheets as opposed to Excel. The exponential one really doesn't work. It's not bad, and you could leave it if you wish. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not completely straight, but that's okay. The other thing that you could do is play around with the polynomial. Okay, clearly that's not really what we're looking for. So you can play, and I think the best one that works is, I think it was 3 or even 2. Yeah, no, 4 doesn't work. So you're looking at 2 or 3. But really, that's 6 of one, half dozen of another. There's really, it's totally fine with this as well, actually. Maybe that's even better. So that's the way you can do it with Sheets. You insert it, and then you can make it as big as you want.